Hello friends, welcome to Market Analyzers. Today Nifty rallied by 36 points and closed at 20,133, whereas Bank Nifty fell by 84 points and closed at 44,481. Today Nifty opened around yesterday's closing, slightly upside opening done, then exactly from our resistance level of 20,130. Nifty corrected downside. From that resistance, Nifty fell by 120 points or 0.6% in 10 o'clock. Then sudden reversal came from 20,010 mark. Today Nifty was very volatile, moving upside or downside with big candles. The main reason for volatility today was due to monthly expiry. In this entire month, Nifty rallied by 1053 points. In percentage wise, Nifty rallied by 5.5%. Last time Nifty rallied more than 5% was in October 2022. From last 10 months, Nifty did not give returns of more than 5% to investors. I will tell an important data point which can be very useful for traders to stay cautious whenever such a situation happens in future. Today, Nifty November monthly expiry happened. In the beginning of this expiry, FIS had 90% short position in index futures. It means 90% of foreign institutional investors were bearish on Nifty at the beginning of this expiry. But as of yesterday's data, because today's data has not been updated yet, FI short positions was 70%. They have reduced their short positions by 20% in comparison with the beginning of this expiry. And Nifty rallied by 5.5%. And in previous month, FI sold on cash segment, but they turned net buyers overall in this month. And surprisingly today, FIs bought 8,147 crores worth today itself. It is a huge positive number. Last time, such a big number from FIs was seen on August 24th. It was 7,300 crores. Today, they bought even higher, and FIs are also looking good in futures. I mean, they are reducing their existing short positions. It is also a good positive sign. The summary of FIs data is in cash segment. Today, they bought for 8,147 crores. In futures, today's data was not updated. Yesterday, they bought 1,370 crores worth of Nifty futures on their overall index short positions reduced from 1,29,000 to 1,15,000 short contracts. In options also, they are on bullish side. Bought 44,000 calls, it is positive. Parallelly, they sold 73,000 puts. It is also bullish. FIs are bullish in all three segments. Now let's talk about the global events on which we should keep an eye. There are two big events to track. First event outcome will be released today. It is OPEC Plus meeting. OPEC Plus is an organization of petroleum exporting countries. They meet every once in a while to discuss future outs. There is news coming out that OPEC Plus countries agrees to oil cut of over 1 million barrels per day. If they are reducing supply, means crude oil prices will naturally move higher. The crude oil prices were an up move as of today's evening. They were trading around 1.6% gains. Let's see where the price settles once the entire news updates comes out. The next big event is US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's speech on Friday. In an event which takes place tomorrow, US Fed will speak. The market is waiting for his comments on future interest rates and inflation data. It will be released tomorrow evening, and its impact markets will be felt on Monday, because on Saturday markets will be closed. These are the two events which we should track. Now let's talk about our domestic news updates. Today, India's Q2 GDP growth rate was updated. RBI earlier predicted that GDP will grow at 6.5%, but it came at 7.6%. It came above expectation. And along with GDP data, exit poll results are also updated. Advantage for BJP in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Congress ahead in Telangana, Chhattisgarh. Now let's talk about the most important indicator of the future market movement. It is price. Price action is bullish. Charts are looking strong. Today, good buying seen from lower levels and closing done close to day's high. So these are all indicating strength in market. Nifty is just 89 points away from all-time high. So don't even think of short positions. If we talk about Nifty levels, support is at 20,060. Today, price did not respect our support, but resistance level was very accurate. Two times price rejected from our resistance of 20,130 mark. And if price sustains about 20,130, then I am looking at 20,190 mark. My view on Nifty is bullish. I will turn bearish only if Nifty closes below 19,820. This important support level. Until it stays above this level, I am looking Nifty with bullish view. Talk about option chain range. Our earlier range of 19,400 to 20,100 was broken yesterday. I will give a new range tomorrow. Now let's talk about today's important stocks news updates. There are two very interesting updates. First, let's begin with Tata Technologies. Today, the listing took place. The issue price was rupees 500 per share, and grey market premium was around 90% before listing day. But today, the listing happened at 1,200 rupees, higher by 140% over the issue price. And the overall listing day gains is 162%. The Tata Group IPO has broken some records today. This is the best IPO listing day gains in 2023. Tata Technologies listing day gain 162%, followed by Idea Forge at 92%. And also in overall highest listing day gains by an IPO, it stands at third place in the history of Indian IPO market. The other two IPO listings today were Gandhar Oil Refinery, listed with 74% listing gains, followed by Fed Bank Financial Services, which got listed in 1.6% discount to its IPO price. So let's talk about ULTRATECH Cement. They have announced to buy Kesoram's cement business for rupees 5,379 crores. ULTRATECH will buy the cement business of Kesoram Industries in an all-stock deal. It means ULTRATECH will give the company shares instead of cash. For every 52 shares held in Kesoram Industries, they will issue 1 share of ULTRATECH Cement. If you calculate this swap ratio, you will get 1 share in ULTRATECH Cement if you have 52 shares in Kesoram Industries. Each share price of ULTRATECH Cement is 9,004 rupees as of today's closing, whereas each share of Kesoram Industries is at 139 rupees 45 paise. If you multiply 139.45 into 52, we get 7,250 rupees. It is a 24% premium over Kesoram's closing price in comparison with ULTRATECH share. This news was updated today evening, but Kesoram share price was locked in upper circuit during today's trading hours. Even after this upper circuit, they still have 24% premium to ULTRATECH.